Check mic. All right. All right. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of the Daily Grind kung saan we talk about making money. And speaking about making money, Izanagi users, mag-ingay. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, sa mga nag-Izanagi dyan. If you're watching, man, congratulations to you. We were facing drawdowns the past few days, maybe week even. But I keep telling you guys, Izanagi's system takes advantage of those drawdowns. And let me share my screen before we go to the PSEI. And Izanagi, ito yung real-time results natin sa kanya. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now at 276.1% to be exact. I was expecting, I was gonna be very happy if ever we are gonna be able to reach 260 before the year ends. 260% is already crazy numbers. Almost like times 4 na yung pera ninyo dyan, right? Kung meron kayo 100,000, your money would have been 360,000 pesos. That's crazy numbers right there. So yeah, but nakita niyo ito? Drawdowns, the yellow ones, yun yung equity natin, meaning yung pera natin bumagsak from 247%, dropped 212, and one day at a certain point, 177%. So yung pera natin bumaba. But then again, Izanagi, the system, I always teach you about the drawdown of Izanagi. And look at that. Once these yellow and red bars come up and meet each other, boom, baby, from 259%, we are now at 276%. That's 20, no? Almost 20. Let me do the math properly. 257, let's say 260, 10, 16. Right? Almost 20%. Right? Almost 20% gains right there after the trade. Congratulations! Kamusta? Kamusta Izanagi users dyan? I know you should be very happy right now. For sure. Alright? Let me know in the comments magkano na yung Izanagi ninyo and how long have you been. Not necessarily your amount, yung percentage lang magkano yung kita nyo. Let's invite more people sa Izanagi. Please share this video. Share po ito yung video na ito. Share to your friends, relatives, and to everyone out there. Especially to your trading groups. Ayan, gusto ko po i-share niyo doon. Tulungan niyo po ako what do you call this? Sa mission ko, Financial Freedom 101 and Stock said na marating yung mga newbie Filipinos when it comes to trading, di ba? Gabayan natin sila. Bakit? Kasi 70% of the newbie Filipinos who go into the stock market fail, and because they lose money, they quit. And we don't want that to keep on happening. Gusto ko na natin din mas maraming Pilipino nag-invest sa stock market and even other money markets like Forex, like Izanagi, which is trading in Forex, di ba? So, let's reach them by sharing this video. Paki-share po ito. Please po, thank you po. Alright, tulungan niyo po ako sa mission natin. Alright, mas maraming Pilipino ma-reach natin, mas maraming Pilipino asenso, di ba? So, thank you so much for sharing. Thank you so much for sharing. PSEI update tayo. Ladies and gentlemen, PSEI po, another green day for PSEI. Right? Green day si PSEI on a net foreign selling day. Right? Tingnan niyo po ito. Sharing my screen. Green day, 1.23%. That's a big bar right there, ladies and gentlemen. Pero net foreign selling po tayo 1.09 billion. ASX leading the way, MG, Prim, RCB, Lotto, AC, Medic nag-recover na kaagad for 5% pero sobrang laki ng drop ni Medic. Alright, so dito another green day for dito 2.95% after the pullback yesterday, the other day. That's okay. Hindi tayo nakapag-live noong Tuesday kasi nagluko si PLDT. I don't know if you experienced it also, but kami dito sa Cebu, we had problems with PLDT on Tuesday. Kahapon wala naman kasing market day and I had a very important meeting. So hindi natin napag-usapan to. But definitely, dito is looking well. Congratulations sa mga pumasok kay dito. We called dito a buy right here, and if you did enter, that is already a win for you. PSEI still bearish overall. Right, bearish pa rin overall. For me, especially net foreign selling tayo. It's just that maraming pumasok kay JFC, the nag-bounce sila GFC. So that is something good at the very least for PSEI. Let me change our music really quick. Ayan, magandang gabi. Let me go to the comments really quick. Magandang gabi. Nano Joseph, good evening Sir Lloyd. Welcome back. Janer Diano, good evening. Pa-check DDMM dito. Janer, may utang pa ako sa'yo. Nakakalimutan ko lagi. Ang dami kasi iniisip. Yeah, but anyways, good evening. Pa-check po si Double Dragon MMN dito. Dito bounce already earlier. So, that is a signal na pwede nyo nang bodegayin si dito. Right? Allen Gallardo, 21% gains kay Izanagi just 2 months. Congratulations, man. Enjoy your earnings. 21% in 2 months is crazy numbers right there, ladies and gentlemen. Kung naglagay kayo ng 100,000 kay Izanagi, that is already 21,000 pesos gains in 2 months doing nothing. Congratulations, Allen Gallardo. Thank you so much, man, for sharing your gains. Thank you so much for the trust kay Izanagi. Libre lang po sa Izanagi, mind you. More about that, information about that later on. Tingnan natin si DD, request ni Janer. DD, Double Dragon, still dropping, my friend. Pero meron tayong divergences, so mukhang maganda to. Next green, you can try to leverage on that divergence. Baka mag-green, tas short-term trade. Pwede. Pero ang lalim kasi ni DD eh. So, might do well, right? We've already reached overbought levels, diba? Let me just make sure our background music is playing. Nakapatay kasi sa headphones ko yung background music, so I'm not really sure if you may background music. Yeah, I guess meron. Alright, okay lang ba yung background music or can I increase the volume? Alright, good evening. Meron pa pala si Dito and MM. Alright, from Janer Diano. Alright, so MM. Dropping still on the downtrend, ladies and gentlemen. Namatay yung divergence niya on the short term. So MM still falling down as of the moment. Stay away from it. Right. So yun nga eh. Bearish kasi yung market overall. Mas malaking chances for technical analysis to fail. Right. So MM still dropping right now. Asa na ako? Yun. Alan Gallardo, once again, thank you so much for sharing your gains. So mga nanonood dyan na may Izanagi na, please let me know magkano na yung Izanagi nyo in percentage gains ninyo and ilang buwan kayo sa Izanagi. Let's let the people know about Izanagi. Share your what do you call this? I will say, anong tawag dyan? Hindi naman rating. Review. Right? Share your review kay Izanagi. Bigyan nyo po sa mga newbies natin dito. So that makita nila how good Izanagi has been doing for every one of us. Tommy Escobedo, good PM, Sir Lloyd, and all viewers. Plus nyo po on URC. Very good company. Let's check out URC, Universal Robina. Alright, so URC, looking well. There's a bearish triangle right here. The support is somehow looking so good, right? If you are planning to go long-term kay URC, maganda yung pwesto niya, main pwesto niya. Pwede nitong bodegahin even going to the major supports of URC. If you want to short-term trade this, let it break out from this, from this downtrend line right here, okay? URC, tapos na tayo. Rowena Gisette, good evening. Magandang gabi. Jocelyn T, good evening. Sir Mitzi Gonzalez, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Magandang gabi rin. Charles Ang, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Good evening, man. Pure Gold Tech and PHR Blue, please. Also, what's the future plans kay Medic? Thank you so much po. Medic still is a good company. So, all you need to do is let the volatility die out and then let it bottom out. Tingnan natin if may mahanap tayong bottom. And then, we can go in from at that point. Ngayon, very volatile lang siya. So, napaka-scary ng drop niya. So, natatakot po yung mga tao. Let's see if we can see the RSI start picking up. Ngayon, wala pa sin technical analysis. So, hindi natin makita talaga. Pure Gold Tech. P-Gold, downtrend pa. Mukhang may support dito. Let's see. But for now, wala pa tayong signal for Pure Gold. Si Tech naman, nag-support to. Kaso nga lang nag-collapse. Ngayon, still showing a support here at this end right here. Pero overall, still on downtrend. Stay away from it muna. Mas gusto ko nagbo-bottom out muna ng ganito before we want to try to trade. If ever mali tayo, then we just cut our losses. Right now, it's still very volatile. We're not seeing bottoming out signals just yet. So I will stay away from tech for now. PHR. Let's check out PHR. PHR. Alright, PHR. Ito yung sinasabi ko na bottoming out. So it's looks like it's bottoming out already. There's a short-term triangle right here. Pero yung support niya, divergences all the way. If this goes green, okay naman yung, ito yung problema. For annual earnings niya ng 2020, that's okay. That's to be understood kasi COVID naman diba? So, third quarter earnings, wala pa. Second quarter is negative 109. That's the cross of the drop right here. I can't recommend this because of these. Hopefully, maglabas ng earnings to na maganda for third quarter. That will be something to help propel PHR go up. Technical analysis, yes, it is telling us this one, but usually I don't trade using just technical analysis. I also back it up with fundamental analysis, especially yung mga news niya. Kind of bearish yung mga news niya so far. Third quarter earnings, if it's gonna be positive, there should be something action right here. For now, wag muna. Right, Richard Agas, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Magandang gabi, Rebecca Tangan. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Insights on SGP and ASEN. SGP. Planning to add more Izanagi. Tested it out. Really works. Amazed how Izanagi works from Janelle Diano. Thank you so much, man. Yeah, go ahead. Add things up. Nga pala, edit up. Ito pala, meron pong promo si XM. It's not the 100%, but it's 50%. Okay? So, up to $500 po ang bibigay nila. So, meaning if you put in $1,000, you're gonna get 50% of that, which is $500. Pwede nyo pong gamitin yung, yung bibigay ni XM as your buffer. At the very least, diba? So, yung full $1,000 sa mga gamitin nyo. I recommend starting with 50,000 pesos to 100,000 pesos. Sayang po yung opportunity ninyo kay Izanagi. If I only told you 25,000, 50,000 kasi nagsisimula pa lang kayo at wala pang gaanong nasa Izanagi noon, right? But now that many people are already succeeding in Izanagi, go big, right? Go big. Try 100,000. Start with 100,000. That's gonna be very good for you. Sayang opportunity. Nakita niyo yung performance ni Izanagi. Let's go to Izanagi for a few moments lang muna. Right? What is Izanagi? Izanagi is technically algorithm trading or bot trading. We call it bot or algorithm. Technically a program, right? Yung program na yan, andyan na namin linagay yung trading, parameters namin. Where to buy, where to sell, yung cut loss, where to take profits, etc. The overall strategy, technical analysis is in the program. So yung program na yun ang nagte-trade na para sa amin. Everything is already automated once na setup na yung bot na yan. So what you're seeing right now on the screen is the public record of our bot on a live account. Meaning, totoong pera po andito. Hindi ko lang ipapakita magkano yung linagay namin dito for privacy purposes. But if these are check marks, ito yung nakikita nyo yung check marks. This is verified by MyFX book by XM. This tells you that what you're seeing here is real. Okay? And makapag-testify po niyan mga may Izanagi na sa atin. Okay? So everything right now is passive income kasi yung bot lang nagtatrade para sa akin. So this account started from January 18, 2021. Nakita niyo sa baba. Fast forward today, it's already up 276.1%. Daig pa natin si Kappa. Daig pa natin. Pang-scam na yung numbers. Yun yung ayoko rin sabihin niyo sa numbers nito kasi sobrang laki. It sounds too good to be true. We already tested this. May backtesting na tayo. Rigorous test, stress test. Lahat ng test before namin to pinpublic sa inyo because I don't want to ruin my name because of this. And now I'm confident with it. Nung in-announce ko ito sa inyo, maybe what was that, 4 months ago, 5 months ago. And it's been doing well sa mga nagsimula na. Guys, test it out. This, hindi lang ito maganda dito. Best of all, Izanagi is for free. I know meron na nag-offer sa inyo ng bot. You might have heard of bot trading before. Pero may bayad monthly. Ito, libre lang po. Technically, may bayad sa monthly pero parang pang-kuryente na yon, right? Kasi yung bot hindi sa computer nyo mag-on. It's gonna be on a server. Babayaran natin yung server na yon kung saan nagra-run yung bot nyo. Yun lang babayaran nyo. The bot itself is for free. So, try it out. This is passive income already. Once na setup na to, eto nakita nyo yung 276%. Wala akong ginawa dyan. Okay? So, it's just the bot trading for us. Just this week, right? Kahit tahimik tayo gano'n sa daily grind, it pumped up more than almost 20% in just over the weekend, past few days. And that's because of this drawdown. Hindi lang to puro profits ha. Right? Nakita niyo yung yellow na yan? Yan yung bagsak ng pera. So there are instances na natatalo ng trade si Izanagi. But Izanagi's system is built to take advantage of these drops. And makikita niyo yan pag nagmimit na yung yellow tsaka yung pula, nagsa-spike up yung gains from the here. Example here, 174%. It spiked up to 190%. That's all 15%. Lately lang nag-drop yung Izanagi. And I know sa inyo nag-shadow technique. Sinabi ko nga sa inyo last week, di ba? Kopyahin niyo yung mga position ni Izanagi. Yung kaibigan ko kagabi nakapag 20,000 pesos because kinopya niya yung mga positions ni Izanagi when this position happened right here. Bumagsak yung presyo na, bumagsak yung kita natin from 247%, it dropped 177%. That's the drawdown. From 200, look at this right here, 240% to 177. That's 70% drop in the positions, meaning yung equity, yung pera. Bumagsak ng 70%. Yan, overall. Diba? Pero nung bumalik na, nag-spike up yung positions and there it is. So, the drawdowns are our friend here. So, it's not all smiles. May mga araw na bumupula si Izanagi. It's not for the faint of heart. Kasi high risk, high reward ito. How high? Itong drawdown. 40% yung drop. Pinakamataas inabot na ni Izanagi. 40% drop on the overall funds. Okay? Ito equity drop lang naman to. So, hindi pa, paper loss pa lang ito because the positions are still open and hindi na stop loss. Okay? And there it is. Boom. 20%. After the positions have recovered. So, again, this is for free. So, if you want more information about Izanagi, punta kayo sa video description. There's a video about it. That was when I introduced Izanagi. That was a long time ago. I think nasa 100% pa lang yung kita ni Izanagi noon. Ngayon, it's already at 276%. Again, this is verified records po. So, we keep it public, right? Para transparency po sa inyo. And we have people here in chat na nanonood who can testify sa performance ni Izanagi. Guys, I know you're very happy with Izanagi. You don't have to thank us for it. Ang hiling lang namin, please help us spread the good news. Di ba? Spread to everyone Izanagi. Right? Share nyo po yung profits nyo kay Izanagi sa mga friends nyo, relatives. Have them try it kasi sayang eh. Sayang. Alright? Linibre na namin yan. Right? The bots out there are may bayad. Ito, libre lang po para sa inyo. Service yung publiko na namin yan. Kung pwede lang sabihin namin si President Duterte na yung pera ng Pilipinas, lagyan nyo kay Izanagi, pwede. Para makabayad tayo, di ba? Pero, yeah. Izanagi, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations for the win for this week, the past few days. Congratulations once again. Registration is in the link if ever you are interested to join. I recommend starting with 50,000 to 100,000 pesos. Kung hindi talaga kaya, 25 is okay. Sayang lang, mas maganda kasi yung maganda kasi ng returns. So might as well just put more funds in it. Rebecca Tangan, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Insights, balik tayo sa mga comments. Rebecca Tangan is asking about SGP, or spelling SGP right here. Let's go 5 hours. Ang hirap basahin ng chart ni SGP. You have to go. Sisirain ko yung chart ko para makita ko lang to. But still volatile overall. I still don't want to trade this bad boy right here. Si SGP. So negative 1.64 siya ngayon. How can I be able to see this chart right here kay SGP? Ito. I have to zoom in. Okay? Para makita natin yung pattern. Nagmi-meet ni MA20. That's looking good. Alright, at the very least, 12.10 a major support natin. So if you want to trade this one, go in near 12%. 12 pesos. Doon natin salubungin si SGP. Mas maganda. Alright, anyways, moving forward, ASEN. Sir Lloyd, is 100k for Izanagi good to standard or micro account po? That's still at micro levels. That's okay. If you start with 100k, that means you will have 50k na ibibigay ni XM for trading additional. Yun yung maganda kasi what is $500? No, hindi. Ano lang pala makakuha ninyo? 25k pala. Hanggang $500 lang kasi binibigay ni XM. Pero okay pa rin. That's a good start already. I will tell you honestly, that's a very good start, right? 20% over the weekend. You should have won 20,000 already in just 1 week. Diba? Kung nagsimula kay Izanagi sooner. So, yeah. Sir, ang credit ni XM is good enough as buffer as part of our deposit. Should be allocated for buffer pa. The credit should be good, right? Yun yung maganda if ever magsimula kayo na malaki. If ever you start with $1,000, that's 50K. 50% niyan is $500. Yun yung gamitin niyo as buffer. So at least 50K pulido for trading, right? ASEN dropped yesterday. Malaking drop ni ASEN. Kaso nga lang nag-green siya today, but overall still on the downtrend. I will not be touching this bad boy. Now, Joel Antolin, AEV, good breakout by Ubayan. Let's check out AEV. Avoid this equity ventures right here. Oh, breakout nga, no? Right, good breakout right here for AEV. That's a thin volume breakout, so I don't want to go aggressive on this. Mas maganda pullback or kung mag-bounce dyan or MA20 bounce ang pinakamagandang trade natin for AEV. But then again, breakout is a breakout. Wala nga lang volume, so I'm kind of hesitant with this one. So at least man lang kung mag-confirm pa ulit ng breakout, that's where you enter AEV. Jeric Larenya Spanit, good evening sir. BKR Primex, BKR. Check that. Let's check that out. Bro, BKR. Ganda ng volume lately, so baka mag-breakout to. There's a high chance that this is gonna breakout. Breakout trade. Pero short term lang yan. Nakalipad na yan eh. Primex naman. Si Primex nasa baba to. PRMX. Let's check out PRMX. Right. PRMX. Okay. Looking well. Looking well for Primex. We had the circle right here for Primex kasi we called it a buy right here. Right. And we were right that we were already winning a Primex. Pullbacks are already there. Ang problema ko lang is it's in between this major support and major resistance. So I will strongly recommend kung mag-breakout lang muna si Primex or kung bumalik sa support. That's my kind of trade at the very least kasi medyo nakalipad na siya. This is where we called it initially. And sorry too late at that point. Medyo late na. Overall, marapit pa naman sa major support niya. O pwede nyo ibodega to hanggang dito. Pwede naman yan. Kasi baka hindi na rin bumalik. Nano Joseph, PHA po. Please, let's check out PHA. Hindi pa ba natin, ano? Yan, PHA. Oh, okay na. Right, we called it right here. May signal na tayo. That's our support. We have divergences. Supports are holding. So, you can trade this for short term at the very least. Pwede nyo short term ito. Trade that one right there. Okay, downtrend pa. So, iwas na muna. 8:26. Maganda gabi sa mga nandyan sa YouTube. Right, so good evening sir from Bongbong Dignadis. Alright. Bahala ko si Bongbong Marcos eh. So, si Bongbong Dignadis pala. Good evening man. Magandang gabi. Alright, let's go to YouTube lang muna. Kumustahin natin yung mga nanonood sa atin through YouTube. Edro12, good evening sir. PayPal, thanks. Let's check out PayPal. PYPL. Alright, PayPal. Ooh, mukhang nag-bottom out na si PayPal. Divergence, ladies and gentlemen. That's a buy right there. 3 white soldiers. That's a buy, definitely. Okay na yun si PayPal. Mukhang nag-bottom out. And it broke MA20, so that is a signal na tapos din downturn niya. Good find, Edro. That's a buy. May epekto kaya si Evergrande Sir Lloyd, ayos sa ano? Yung nalugi sa China. Matagal na yung news na yan eh. So, it already has done its damage. Evergrande. So, okay na yan. Ryan Dexter Rahon, good evening Sir Lloyd. Michael Carlos, BSC Sir Lloyd. Let's check out magandang gabi Ryan. BSC, breakout yung call natin. Pa-breakoutin muna natin before you wanna get in. Actually, yun yung breakout eh. Hindi ko lang naayos yung linya. Diba? This is the downtrend. Breakout na yan. That's a buy. BSC. Hindi ko lang naayos yung linya nung when last time I called it. Let it break out. So, nag-breakout na siya. That's already good. Ryan Rahon. Alright. Magandang gabi. Ryan Rahon. 27.09% gains from Izanagi at around 10 weeks. Shared to my profile. Hoping my friends will click the link. Thank you so much, Sir Lloyd. Massive gains, man. 27.09% in 10 weeks. That's, let me do my math. 2 months and 2 months and a half, right? Kung kung nag 25% yung drawdown nyo dito for sure. Risk din nyo, di ba? Risk settings. Kung 15 yan, mas malaki pa rin. But then again, that's a good start, man. Who will give you 30% in 2 months and a half? Congratulations. Well played, Ryan, Rahon. That's Izanagi for you, ladies and gentlemen. Dice, thank you so much for, Ryan, thank you so much for sharing. Dice, good evening, everyone. Reggie, hi, Sir Lloyd, good evening po. Any insights po kay Dito, Keeper, Asen, and Baba? Si Dito, it's, I would say it's a buy. Si Dito pa rin, right? Nag-confirm na yan, dalawang beses support niya. There's a resistance right here. Pinakamagandang buy dito. Short-term resistance is this, nag-break na siya ng MA20 right? So, that's already looking well. Okay na to, si Dito. That's a buy already for me. Right? So, yeah. Dice, good evening. Asan na dito? Keeper. Ano ba yung ni code? Code ni Keeper. K-E-E-P-R, diba? K-E-E-P-R. Alright, Keeper. Right here after drop down. Resistance is right here. Let it break out. Mukhang magba-break out. So, let it break out lang muna sa Keeper. That's already near, right? So, abangan yung breakout. Asen and Baba. Si Asen naman. Asen still, for me, this is still on a downtrend. Nag-break ng support. So, Asen, stay away from it. Baba. Alibaba. Ooh. Aggressive on a downtrend still. Though we are seeing higher lows, so overall, nagna-downtrend pa si Baba. Stay away from it for lang muna. Small Kids Blanco, magandang gabi. Rerin21, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Start na po ba Crypto Friday bukas? Yes po, I'm gonna be introducing boards to you guys. Crypto Friday po tayo bukas. Register, paano mag-join sa Izanagi? Salamat po. Andyan po sa video description yung link para kay Izanagi. Let me just get the link for you. Lagay ko na dito sa comments for registration in the video. Dalawa to ha. This is for the educational video of Izanagi and the, what do you call this? And the registration for Izanagi. Hopefully you take time reading it. Sayang panahon, right? Kung nagsimula kayo noon pa, ang ganda ng kita ninyo. That's for Reggie, Dice. Izanagi lang sa kalam. Gusto ko na nga ilipat yung investment ko from stocks to Izanagi. Drawdown is your friend. Hashtag from Dice. Okay lang yun. It's good to be diversified still. Kasi pag baka iba yung mangyari rin right? You can't really predict the future. So that's okay. That's okay. Just put in enough amount lang. Huwag maging greedy. Kasi again, Izanagi is high risk. I don't want you to go all in kay Izanagi still. Okay? Sir Bitcoin. Sir, already fill up the form for Izanagi from Ems Pablo. Congratulations. Magsa-start na yung batch ngayon ng Izanagi. Napuno na yung 20, di ba? So, congratulations. BTC, USD, Bitcoin, USD still on a massive downtrend. Stay away from it for now. I'll tell you pag hinog na. Batong Fuentes, good PM, Sir Lloyd. All day and P-Core. All day, every day. All day. And all day. Supports are being tested right now. Tingnan lang natin ano muna mangyayari. We need more data kay all day. P-Core naman, nasa supports na to Ooh, nag-higher low na si P-Core. Showing good signs already si P-Core. Pero I wanted to go back down and confirm a support. Nag-higher low siya. That's already good sign. Pero overall, downtrend kasi siya diba? So, if it breaks the downtrend line, that's gonna be good. Okay, so, Vincent Pascual, good evening. Magandang gabi. Bitcoin, alright. Thoughts on PXP? This is from Ryan Dexter Rahon. PXP. Alright, kumusta si PXP? Alright, mukhang nag-respect ng support for PXP. They'd call it a buy right here. I don't know if ever na-hit yung stop loss din nyo, but it did do well after that one. So, looking good. Ito pa rin yung major support ni PXP. That's gonna be your buy right there. Going back to Facebook. Tapos na tayo sa YouTube. Planning to add more Izanagi. Tested it out. Really amazed how Izanagi works. Congratulations, Janer. Asen po. Tapos na tayo kay Asen. This is from Christian Sodoy. Marlo Figuidero. DMC, sir. Good evening. Let's check out DMC. Sa mga dyan, kumikita na kay Izanagi, pa-burger naman kayo. Pa-burger kayo na naman. Biro lang. Share nyo lang si Izanagi. Yun po ang pinaka-importante. Share nyo po si Izanagi. Sayang kasi. Hopefully, more Filipinos go into Izanagi. Right? DMC. Yun yung pinaka Yun yung pinaka... Let me just hugot ko lang kasi pinaghinapan namin si Izanagi. Yun na yung pinaka-ultimate pa na let's get rich together. Sobrang spoon feed na Izanagi, right? Yung trading skills namin na yan, Sa iba, binabayaran nyo yan. Yan, hindi ba namin tinuturo, hindi nyo na kailangan matutunan. Spoon feed pa namin, di ba? So, what else could we do, di ba? Spoon feed na yan, right? Congratulations ulit sa mga may Izanagi, right? Congratulations, man. Very happy for you, right? Very happy for all of those followers of mine na nasa Izanagi na. I've been following nasa 150 na tayo na followers ko na nasa Izanagi. Right, so hindi pa gaanong karamihan. But I'm not really after the numbers. Kahit lang isang Pilipino isang araw ma-reach natin na mag-start kay Izanagi, I'm gonna be very happy for that. Because yan, nabigay namin yung blessings, di ba? Nabigay natin yung blessings. So please share Izanagi. DMC, let it break out before you wanna get in. This is from Marlo. Rebecca Tangan, yung sa XM and Izanagi, pareho po ba yun? Yeah, si Izanagi is the program that will trade in your using your XM. Diba? Si XM is a broker, Izanagi is not a broker. Program po siya. So, yung gagawin namin is we will ask permission from you na ma-access ni Izanagi yung trading account mo, right? Sa XM. It's under XM, right? So, they're separate entities but both are needed. Okay? Para ma-complete to si Izanagi. Perry Navarro, yes sir, buti bumalik ang promo ni XM. Actually, andyan lang lagi yung promo ni XM. Yun lang 100% ang wala pa. And that's only for, yung 50% ngayon is only for new clients. Right? If you're a previous client, wala kayo nun. Para sa mga bago lang yon. Pero yung 100%, sana bumalik next year. Kahit old clients na magdadagdag ng funds, bibigyan po nila, right? So, pero wag niyo po antayin yung promo, right? Sayang yung performance ni Izanagi. Kumikita na sana kayo. Just because of the promo, hindi nyo na-take advantage, diba? Charles Ang, Sir Lloyd, 100k for Izanagi, good standard. That's already a very good amount, my friend. Yung isang kaibigan ko, 500,000 ang linagay kay Izanagi. Tiba-tiba, message na message sa akin yun. So, congratulations. Akisto, good evening. Bon, Saludes, Zaide, Asen po, sir. Right, let's check out Asen. Right, so Asen, we covered this already pala. Tapos na tayo dyan. January, sir, credit the XM is good enough as buffer or part of our deposit should be located for buffer pa. Yeah, pwede nyo pong gamitin ng buffer yung binibigay ni XM. Yonel Boyko, good evening, Sir Lloyd. May pag-asa pa ba si dito? Actually, laki ng kita na natin kay dito right? It depends on the perspective. Kung gusto nyo umakyat, do you mean na pwede na may pag-asa pa itong umakyat sa maybe before 19 or that levels? With how it is running right now, and I think, ito lang I don't wanna go political pero mukhang malakas na si Bongbong tsaka si Sara para manalo. I guess dito is gonna do well. Alright, so malaki ang chance niya to go up. That's the reason why I'm in long term. Right, pero sobrang if ever you've been a follower of mine ever since, sobrang yaman niyo na dahil kay dito. Dami kong kaibigan na naging milyonaryo na dahil kay dito. Sumabay kami noong 1 peso pa lang yan, magto 2 pesos. And people put in a lot of money in dito, especially yung mga followers ko. Nagbenta kami sabay-sabay at 19. So, yeah. Sobrang okay na yan. Jason Ignacio, Sir MM. MM Downtrend. Alvin Castillo, good evening. Christopher Romano, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Sa lahat. Good evening, man. BSC Insights po. Let's check out BSC. Tapos naman tayo kay BSC. Yeah, tapos na kay BSC. Kung mag-breakout yan. Actually, nag-breakout na. That's already a buy for BSC. Earl John Ginto, nag-open ako ng new account nung isang araw for Shadow Technique, sir. Instant 30% in less than 2 days NZD CAD. Thank you so much sa inyo, Sir Lloyd. Alright, so I told you, di ba? I told you, ang ganda na ng position kay Izanagi nung pumula na si Izanagi dito. And then, yun, I told you guys na Shadow Technique nyo na. Congratulations on opening account. Earl John Ginto, man. 30% in 2 days. Crazy numbers right there. So, that's 30%. Kung 100k yung tinrade mo, that's 30,000 pesos in less than 2 days. That's amazing money, man. I hope you've already watched my video about Shadow Technique. Right? Shadow Technique is kung saan susundin ninyo yung trades ni Izanagi. Izanagi does well already. Pero mas may efficient pa dyan na manual trade, which is the shadow technique. Check out my videos about shadow technique para malaman nyo paano sundan si Izanagi. Right? So, you can manual trade. Hopefully, ginamit, Earl John, right? Hopefully, ginamit mo yung link ko to create a new XM account, ha? Thank you so much if you did. Right? Kung nag-shadow technique kayo, pares ka ni Earl John sana. Sweetie Pie, Sabrina, Valerie, how about all day, sir? We covered all day already. We need more data for all day. Let's see if ever mag-respect siya ng support. Gigi Meares, kamusta? Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Please check out Pint. P-I-N-T. I'm not sure what Pint is. Ano lumalabas eh? Christian Sadoy, LTG po, sir. Let's check out LTG. Lucio Tan. Excuse me. Ubus na yung energy ko. Right. Medyo busy. Ang dami kong... Meron ako pasabog sa inyo for next year na naman. Right. So anyways, pasabog na opportunity. Hindi naman... Pasabog ko sa inyo lagi para pera yun eh. Pag may pasabog ako. So expect it next year pa. Right. So the ideas are just keeping me up all night. So anyways, LTG, let it break out, or kung mag-support man, doon natin saluhin. Alright, LTG, stock said. BDO and GFC, this is from Alvin Castillo. BDO, GFC, BDO. Pinterest pala yun. Alright, BDO, ganda. Ganda ng galaw ni BDO ah. So, this support right here, nag-sustain, and then, nag-bounce si BDO right there, and then it started to go up already. Pullback bounce for BDO, that will be a good entry for BDO still. Apple, sir, time to sell na ba? Tingnan muna natin si GFC. Right, si GFC, same din galaw ni BDO ah. Pullback and bounce for GFC. Let's see if that will be a good entry for Janer, AEPL. Time to sell na ba? Man, congratulations ulit kay Apple. Remember, mga bilog ko dito, sabi ko sa inyo, pasukin nyo na yan. Kung pinasok nyo yan, that would have been a 26% gains. Crazy numbers, Janer. Congratulations, man. If it closes inside the Bollinger Bands already, that will be your sell half signal. Sell some of it, man, because this is on a massive uptrend. Sobrang lakas pa ng volume ng uptrend niya. That's still good to go. Take profits lang pag pumula or closes inside Bollinger Bands. That simply means na yung momentum niya is already slowing down. Earl John Ginto, nag-start ako mag-open ng trade sa 8th and 9th level ni Izanagi. And then, mas malaking lot sizes. Sir, high risk, high reward talaga. Congratulations, man. Pero yeah, that's what we told you about Izanagi, di ba, sa shadow technique. NZD CAD, I just can't memorize pang ilan dapat na position ni Izanagi dapat kopyahin nyo sa NZD CAD. But at 8 and 9, usually kasi nasa 10 positions lang yung si Izanagi max, di ba? 8 and 9 positions, those are perfect entries, man. Swerte nyo na if umabot ng 8 to 9 positions, di ba? Kasi pag nag-10 pa yan, that should be good already. Sobrang ganda niyan. 8 to 9 positions. Whew. Galing. Congratulations, man. 30% in 2 days. Wow. Jarev, Divina Gracia, Sol. Solana, USDT, Sol USDT. Right, so Sol USDT, mukhang downtrend din. Downtrend kasi si Bitcoin. So, Solana's good kasi napakabilis niya. It's just that, mas grabe talaga yung acceptance pa rin kay Bitcoin at Ethereum. So, hindi pa rin siya maka-move forward talaga. Pero Solana's doing well. Maraming adaptations na for Solana. Yeah. So, supports are right here. If you are into Solana, you believe the technology behind Solana, this support is looking well. Buy some, then you buy some more sa baba. Nasa support kasi si Sol. That's looking good. Sweetie Pie, Valerie, about Converge. Converge, CNVRG, Converge ICT. Right. Converge RCT, we called it support right here. That was a buy already for Converge. Kaya may bilog dyan. Still a buy. Right, still a buy for me, si Converge. Nasa support areas pa rin naman si Converge. So, that's still okay. Brian Gaser, or I'm sorry, I'm not sure if I'm reading it properly. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Check naman po si All Day. We covered All Day already. We need more data. We can't call it a buy just yet. Gigi Mayares, Pinterest. Alright, so Pinterest. Alright, pins pala si Pinterest. Alright. Looking well. Three white soldiers pull back and bounce. That's gonna be your confirmation. Overall is on a downtrend right here. Okay na. Nag-break na ng downtrend pala si Pinterest. Bodega na to. Alright, as long as this major support holds at how much is that? 34.59. Alright, Mitzi Gonzalez. Sir Lloyd, pwede po ba i-post ulit ang link ng shadow technique na video? Sure. Let me get it sa StockSed na page. StockSed, then it should be in videos. Videos. Where is the videos? Ito. See all. And maybe I can search for it here. It's videos. Not on the playlist. Hindi, sa Financial Freedom pala. Hindi sa StockSed, sorry. My bad. Financial Freedom 101. Shadow. I'll search for shadow. Ito. Ginawa namin tong video na ito. 220% pa lang ang gains ni Izanagi. 270% gains na. So that's 50% additional gains kay Izanagi in 2 months when we share this video. Galing. Sobra. So yeah, here's the link of the video. Right there, sa mga nanonood sa Facebook, right here is the link. All right, so that's shadow technique right there. So you have to create a different account for Izanagi, different XM account. Pero gamitin niyo po yung link ko when you create a different account. Dun lang kayo sa link kay Izanagi registration. If you wanna create an XM account, kung gusto niyo po pang Izanagi, gamitin niyo na tong yung link na ito right away. Create an XM account right here. Diretso na, create an XM account here. Yan. So, yun yung pang shadow technique ninyo. Right? So, yeah. This is the video right here. Dito namin tinuro paano nyo susundan si Izanagi for manual trades. Sobrang ganda ng trades niyan. Hindi na technical analysis ang susundin ninyo. Right? Wala na yung sakit sa ulo. All you need to do is follow Izanagi's trades. Right? And then, voila. Earl John, ginto, 30% in 2 days. Right? Pag nakita nyo si Izanagi na pumupula na ng ganito, ito, yung yellow bars is bumabagsak. Sundan nyo na yung mga positions niya. Gawan nyo na, open nyo na yung mga positions niyo. Right? So, technically, that's the idea. Right? But yeah, you can watch the video so that you will know more. Right? Because Izanagi has been consistent and technically, kung anong resulta ni Izanagi, yours should be better. 30% in a day. Galing. James Vergara, hello sir, ASEN update po. We covered ASEN already. I will not be touching ASEN since medyo mataas pa si ASEN. Okay? So, yan. Ano po magandang allocation ng fund between Izanagi and Valkyrie? Valkyrie is more of lower risk approach to Valkyrie. Okay? So, it really depends sa'yo. Kasi iba-iba tayo ng financial outlook, iba-iba tayo ng risk appetite. So, nakita niyo naman si Izanagi, grabe mag-drawdown yan. Right? 30-40% nagdo-drawdown yan. Kita niyo to? From 212, naging 177. So, that's 30% drop in a day sa positions niya. So, grabe mag-drawdown yan. So, if you only put in amounts that you can fathom na mawala. Right? Kasi high risk, high reward siya. Sir, Gala po ba Gala looks okay for short-term trade. So, let's go to Gala USDT. Ito na yung mga metaverse na mga coins eh. Broke MA20, downtrend si Bitcoin. So, mukhang magda-downtrend muna to. You don't have to chase this one, guys. Masyado mataas na to. Mag-change pa to ng trend. Tingnan natin anong trend gagawin ni Gala. Okay? APL Pusher. This is from Small Kids Blanco. Right, let's check it out. And Vincent Pascual. Good evening, man. Ano yun? APL. Right, APL looks well, man. Support has been holding. So, short-term trade, APL, buy right there. Going back to Facebook. What happened to Medic, sir? Bearish market happened. Right? SGP, walang kanong pumasok kay Medic talaga. SGP, I still can't trade that bad boy right here. Sell na po ba sa Nvidia? Bought at 181 point Nvidia. 181.8. 181. Woo! Grabe. The dips, man. The dips. Woo! Grabe. Galing, ha? Alright, so one of my favorite stocks out there, Nvidia Corporation. This is a sell already, right? This, when it broke MA20, dapat nag-sell na kayo dyan. That's a signal na mag-change na yung trend niya. So most probably, it's gonna go sideways or baka umakyat pa rin. But you can't be so sure. I would say that's a sell already, man. Take profits already. Unless you're in for long term, take some and then pag mag-dip, you buy some more. Right? Sweetie Pie, thank you so much. You're welcome. Sir, kamusta Axie? And then Thetan, si Axie, okay pa rin naman. Umakyat na yung mga presyo ng SLP. Lately, because may update si Axie with burning SLP. And Thetan Arena, may utang ako sa'yo. Hindi ko pa nasasend yung screenshot ng mga champions mo. But doing well sa Thetan. Alright, mas maganda siya na laro. Mas nag-enjoy yung mga scholars natin. Gerald Absalon, update po sa chart. Update sa chart ng... I'm not sure what chart you mean. GG Malis Lloyd, you're welcome. Ichiro de la Serna, GMA7 po. GMA7. Still on a downtrend overall. So, I will stay away from it for now. May maganda signals na tayo for RSI. So, mukhang magbo-bottom out na to. So, abang-abang lang muna. Thanks, Sir Lloyd. I'll be joining Izanagi with a 50% bonus. You're welcome, Mitsian. Mike Eugenio, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Good evening to you too. Nicole Manzano, thank you for tagging your friends. Ronnie Fernandez is asking about C. Right, so, yeah. C. Natin si Chelsea Logistics. Good green right there for today, but overall the downtrend is still intact. I need more data. Maybe creating a support right here or mag-break ng downtrend line niya before we can say that Chelsea has already bottomed out. Okay? Whew! Alright. Sige, nabasa natin lahat ng comments. Reminders, everyone. Ayun. Mga pala, update tayo sa mga Ember Sword ng mga partners natin nanonood ngayon. I am listing the other land at 7.2 Ethereum. Tingnan natin if mabebenta. At 7.2, if hindi, bababaan ko pa. Pero we're gonna be selling it, okay? So, nag-aabang pa lang ako na mabenta to. For now, wala pa. Izanagi, ladies and gentlemen, try it. It's for free. Check out the video description. Andyan po yung educational, informative video about Izanagi so that you will know more about it before you jump in. Then registration is in the video description and nasa comments din. Nag-comment ako kanina. Right? Sayang po si Izanagi. It's for free. Right? PSEI still bearish. So please, ingat lang muna sa mga trades ninyo. Right? If you want to enter sa mga trades as much as possible, nasa mga low risk positions, sa mga nasa bottom, huwag maghahabol ng mga assets na nakalipad na. Kasi bearish market, the trends do not last for long. Right? So, ingat-ingat lang muna. That's it for me this evening. I'll see you again tomorrow, Friday evening. And meron po tayo. We're gonna have changes sa daily grind. Bukas, introduce ko sa inyo si Borge. Every Fridays, we're gonna be talking about Crypto Friday. So, he's a crypto expert. Lahat ng mga balita, bulong about crypto, charting, etc. All the necessary things you need to know sa crypto. Bukas, pag-uusapan natin. Prepare your questions about crypto tomorrow. Kasi mabigay ko sa inyo sa mga crypto karamihan is just the charting. Diba? But here, we have another expert that is going to be sharing with us. Crypto Fridays should be live already bukas. And then, the plan is to have it every Friday kasi profit-taking day naman sa PSEI yan tsaka sa stock market. So let's talk about crypto, especially that crypto trades on Saturdays and Sundays and usually sa weekends nagda-drop si crypto. Last drop ni crypto was over the weekend, diba? Noon nag-dump. So it will be very wise na Crypto Fridays tayo. So abangan niyo po bukas, pakilala ko sa inyo si Borge, Kapayaman Borge, and let's welcome him. And for me, this evening, I'm done. I'll see you tomorrow. And as always, this is Lloyd Bazaar saying, let's get rich together. Bye everyone.